A chilly Saturday. Today is Saturday. It is sunny and chilly outside. I feel like baking something. Let's see if I have all the ingredients that I need. There is some milk in the fridge. There is also some butter. There is some flour and there is some cinnamon. There is some sugar. There is some salt. There is some chocolate powder, and there are some eggs. Great, I can make a chocolate cake.
Now let's practice your speaking. Listen each sentence, pause the video, and repeat it out loud until you make sure you have learned it.
Today is Saturday. It is sunny and chilly outside. It is sunny and chilly outside. I feel like baking something. I feel like baking something. Let's see if I have all the ingredients that I need. There is some milk in the fridge. There is some milk in the fridge. There is also some butter. There is also some butter. There is some flour, and there is some cinnamon. And there is some cinnamon. There is some sugar. There is some sugar. There is some salt. There is some salt. There is some chocolate powder. And there are some eggs. Great, I can make a chocolate cake. Great, I can make a chocolate cake.
Congratulations! Keep on practicing. Thanks for watching.